This video about project management software for field services, and today we're taking a look at Matidor, and it actually allows you to create additional visuals on top of maps to make everything more manageable. For example, if you have multiple sites in the same area, you can clearly differentiate between them. You can also see what tasks are related to each site and the budgets. So it is really tailored for people that do field-based work and want to work on multiple sites at the same time, and allows you to create a visual track of everything. You can associate several files to each track or projects, such as several forms and files and even the budgets. And the great thing about this is that you can also work together with multiple people on this, so everyone is clearly aligned in what needs to happen next. And it's the single source of truth, so everyone knows what needs to happen and everyone has the latest and greatest information, so no one should be confused about what's going on. It also integrates with other tools you're already using and allows you to use it for several use cases, from oil and gas, environmental services to renewables. So I think it can be really useful for companies that do a lot of field work and have projects that are going on at the same time and have multiple people working on them. So that was a quick look at Matidor. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.